Good morning, students. Welcome back in the online classes subject EVS. Children, as you know that we are learning all about lesson number 9 and today we are going to see a map. Make friends with map, page number 55 of your textbook. In this map, you will find some water bodies and landforms in our district. This is the map of Nasik district, major water bodies and landforms. Got it? So, let's see what are the questions. Write the names of any two ranges in the district. Now you have to write the name of ranges in our district. Already I have written here. Let's see on the map. Here you can see Galna range. Here Kalsubai range. Here Satmala range. Here Anjaneri range, here Vani range. So these different ranges are there in our district, Nasik district. Okay, so we are going to write the two names Satmala range and Kalsubai range. Got it? Now, the Sahyadri mountain is the west of our district. Trace the course of the Godavari river which originates in the Sahyadri mountain. This is the line of Sahyadri mountain. Here are Sahyadri mountains and Godavari river originates in the Sahyadri mountain. So if you will see here, already I have traced here. Here is river Godavari. Okay, you can see here is Sahyadri mountain and Godavari river originated here, and here is Godavari river. So this is the way of Godavari. Okay, so we have to trace this. So I have drawn one line here near the line of Godavari river. There are many peaks in our district. Circle the names of any two peaks. Okay, there are peaks in our district. Now first in the index we will see what is the symbol for a peak. Triangle. Okay, black triangle. So here are peaks in our Nasik district. Where they are, here you can see Galna, here Hanuman, here Salir, Mullir. These peaks are there in our Nasik district. So any two peaks we need to circle though. So I have circled Hanuman peak and Galna peak. Got it? Then the Girna river flows from the west to the east. Trace the course of any two rivers that join the Girna river. Okay. So Girna river we have to find out and we have to trace the course of any two rivers that join the Girna river. So here is Girna river. If you will see in the map, this is the way of Girna river. Okay, river Girna, river Girna, river Girna. And any two rivers we have to find out which joins the Girna river. Here is one river Mosam and here is river Aram. So these two rivers join Girna river. Okay, Aram and Mosam. So here you can see we have to trace the way of those rivers. Okay. Now last question. Find the reservoirs in our district and draw a box around their names. Okay, reservoirs we have to find out. Let's see what is the symbol for reservoirs. Here, like this symbol. So here already names are written of the reservoirs. I have found out Chankapur reservoir. Okay, here is Chankapur reservoir and here one more reservoir is there, Girna reservoir. So we have to draw box around those names of the reservoirs. Okay, got it? So these were the questions based on the map. What is here? Here you can see first picture, this is second picture and this is third picture. Now here you have to try this. You have to take one bottle for you. Okay, and you have to fill up it with the water full and then you have to use that water for you only. Okay, so you are only going to use this water. Got it? So this water is enough for you. Correct? Am I right? So you are going to use that. So next time what you have to do, you have to take the same bottle, okay, full of water, and then your friend will come to share that water with you. So now you both are going to share the water. Okay, now two children are going to share the water, one bottle. Okay, one water bottle. So what you have to do that time, you have to half the water. You have to take half water bottle, and your friend will take half water bottle. So now you need to share that water with your friend. Okay, so that time also you will feel okay, this is enough for me. So this water will be enough for you and your friend. Okay, but if you will go in the next picture, here you are with the one water bottle, and now your four friends, 1, 2, 3 and 4, your 4 friends will join with you and will share the water from the bottle. Got it? Now what will be your condition? You can see face. Okay, so this water is not enough for you 5 children. Am I right? So you need to share the water, but you will get very less water for you. Okay, why this experiment is given, children? So as there is increase in the people, there will be less water available for the use. There will be scarcity of the water. Okay, so we need to use water carefully. Got it? Children, just now you have seen we need to use water carefully. Let's see one question on this same topic. Rahul and Saguna drink water after playing. They wash their hands and feet, they bath every morning and wash their plates after eating. However, they use too much water while doing these things. Their mother scolds them. They wonder how they should use water carefully. What good ideas can you give them for using water carefully? Here, we need to use water carefully. Am I right? So, we have to give ideas to Rahul and Saguna how they should use water carefully. So, when they are taking bath, they should not on the tap. When they are washing their plates or when they are washing their hands or feet under the tap. So when they are using soap, that time they should off the tap. Okay, they should not keep the tap continue to flow, and they should not use more water for extra water for bathing or cleaning anything. Okay, this idea we can give to them, and we have to use in our daily routine also. Okay, clear? Now, always remember, if you collect rainwater, Mawsynram and Cherrapunji are 2 places in India which receive the highest rainfall in the world. In summer, however, there is a shortage of water in those places. The same thing occurs in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. This is because adequate efforts are not made to store rainwater. Storing rainwater will help solve this problem. Actually, we know that Mawsynram and Cherrapunji are 2 places in India which receive the highest rainfall in the world. Okay, but still in summer season they face problem of the water. Why? Because when it's raining, that time they don't store water. They don't store the water comes from the rain. And in the rainy season, they will have lot of water, but in the summer season, they will face problem because of this. So we should collect the rainwater. Okay. Next point. Pipelines are used to carry water from distant wells, lakes, and water tanks to our homes. In some areas, water is also supplied through tankers. Children, you know that what is the use of pipeline? Pipelines are used to carry water from distant wells, lakes, and water tanks to our home. Okay? Keep this in your mind properly. What is the use of pipeline? But still in some places, some areas, water is also supplied through tankers. Okay.